guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I will be eating snow crab. There's Dungeness crabs, potatoes, corn, shrimps, and I don't know. But I will be pouring the lovely sauce all over it. I used this before, but why not? So this is the video I did. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Sorry you guys. So I heard it's best to just add everything in there. And at the bottom is the Bloves sauce as well. So that's the rest of it. Sorry, I'm making a mess. Just gonna pour that all over. Oops. Alrighty, it's gonna be really messy, so let's get started. So good. I'm hungry, really hungry. So that's why I got straight to it. And I'm starving. Thank you so much, you guys. Whoever come from Bloves life, I love her. I watch her all the time. Thank you for you who subscribe, actually subscribe and stuff. Whew, this is so good. I love corn, but you guys, one thing you guys need to know about Bloves, the sauce, the seafood sauce. It will send you to the bathroom if it's your first time eating it, or if your stomach not used to it. Definitely be aware of that, because there's a lot of spicy ingredients in it, and there's butter as well. So and I got a comment. Somebody asked me if it's salty, if the Bloves sauce is salty. No, it's not salty. It's kind of like give a nice kick because there's vinegar in it, but it's not salty. So good. I'm so hungry. And we have some jumbo shrimp. So good. I'm all over the place because that's how I eat. I have water and I have some tea. That's my first time trying this tea. It's unsweet tea. Really good. No sugar added. Man, I forgot to get something to... Hold on. I have to get a bag. But I had to get a bag because I forgot to get a bag as usual. When you're eating seafood boil, get everything ready because look at that. You know what? I want to do a G-shell shrimp mukbang. Let me know down below if you guys want that. I really want to try it. Only shrimp, nothing else. Even these in here, they have meat in it. Oh. Look at that. So good. So good. Ooh, come out. Oh my God. Doesn't want to come out. I feel like yesterday it was spicier for some reason. Or maybe I'm used to it. But this is good. Whatever. It was hot. Really hot. Get your corn from Publix. No, they're not sponsored this video, but they are expensive, but they do have good quality vegetable. Last time I went to Walmart to buy some. Oh, look at that. Look at that, you guys. To buy some to buy some corn at Walmart. The corn wasn't sweet at all. I know it wasn't gonna be sweet because it was looking all dry. You know, at Publix, everything looks so green. That's why they're expensive. But at least you get good quality products. Whew. Oh boy. Even though they're flat, they still have meat. That's what's good about these crabs. Good meat. Good meat in there. Oh boy. So good. Look at that. Told you. Yes, I use my teeth. And then this crab are kind of soft for some reason. I feel like king crabs are kind of, ooh, look at that. Woo! This is the best. I don't know. I love seafood, boy. I love crabs, I love lobster. I love everything, man. Can get rid of this. Whoa, making a mess, huh? I'm gonna be dirty. Smelling like crabs after this. Ooh. Woo. Oh boy. This is so good and messy. Oh boy, that's the big one. The teeth. Trust me, it's not that hard at all. I know it makes a loud sound, but it's not. Oh my. Oh, I'm gonna wait this. Come on, come out. Come on. Yeah. Straight up meat. Meat coming up. Mmm. Mmm. Probably looking really dirty right now, but I'm eating crab, you guys. Don't mind me. Oh, that's my favorite part. I love that part. It's got all the meat sitting right here. Right here. Look at that meat. Straight up meat. And Bloves sauce is really good, you guys. It tastes amazing. Just so good. Just, you cannot just eat seafood boil without a good sauce. Like, you need, it's all in the sauce. All in the sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash my hair, wash everything. Take a whole shower. Cause I'm dirty. So good, you guys. You have got to try this. Probably making you guys hungry, but I'm sorry. You're not meant to. It's just so good, like. It's really good. You got to try it to see what the gag is about. And trust me, you won't regret it. You never try this, like, sheesh. Try it yourself. Don't go to a restaurant, make it yourself. Like, go to Publix. Don't act like, oh, I don't know how to cook seafood. Like, look at my videos. Not even only my videos. Look up plenty videos on YouTube. There's no but as long as you got the sauce down pat, like, you're good. I think that's it. I'm done eating. I'm full. I have some sausage, potatoes in there. I think I have a shrimp. But you guys, look at that. It's like swimming in the sauce. I'm really done. Like, I'm done. And I'm gonna try this too. I tried it before, but so good. It's good. I love Lipton tea, but this is, I guess this is good. It's expensive too. Why? So good. You guys, I really appreciate, when I said I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my video, I really do. If you watch the video till the end, thank you so much for watching. Be sure you're subscribed if you're new here. Thumbs up the video. If you want to see the recipe, I will leave it down below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another mukbang. I'm about to do them. Like, I want to do mukbang. It's fun. I'm eating. Everything's great. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Bye.